Hi guys, welcome to Nate's Art Lab and Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. What we're doing today is a blowout, and it was our assignment to try and do a blowout with at least 5 colors. I am going to try something I have always wanted to try. I'm going to try just water with a splash of Gac. We've got our little bit of 50-50 Gac and water in these cups, and we're just going to add these drops into this little 50-50 mixture of the Gac and water and see how it goes. This is the titanium white, which I've already got pre-mixed. You can see it does not leave a trace. First color going in is a couple drops of the quinacridone nickel azo gold. Love this color. Okay, there's about six drops in there. Let's see what we get. Oh no, we need a lot more. We need much more. Let's give it a good healthy squirt. There we go. And the reason I'm using these, oh no, got a drop in that one. Okay. I cannot not make a mess. How's that? But yeah, the reason we're using these is because I need to start using them more. Otherwise, they're just going to dry up and go to waste. Wow, that is like water. Water. Yee, this is scary. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Another healthy squirt. But yeah, so I'm going to go through all these. There we go. And like I said, I cannot not make a mess. Oh, let's go with a red in this one. Let's go with the quinacridone crimson. And move these over so we don't splash crimson into those. Oh my gosh. And I'm doing this in kind of a hurry. I don't have much time. So, how do we feel about this one? It's pretty, but it needs to be brighter. So a few more drops. There we go. Squirt, squirt. Skeet, skeet. I'm in a silly mood. Yes, I'm in a silly mood. God, that is just water. This is going to be interesting because the air is really super dry here in Arizona right now. So I'm kind of scared. This one's ultramarine violet. I'm kind of scared because the last bloom I did, I left too much paint on the canvas and I didn't cover it well and it cracked and everything. This one's thicker. Ooh. So yeah, it was a bit of a disappointment. A couple of them dried perfectly, but it's because I took a lot of the paint off of the canvas and they weren't directly in the airflow of my heater at night, so. Okay. Okay, next one. What do we got? We got Prussian blue hue. Yep, and I haven't even opened this one yet. Oh my gosh. Do you guys do that? Do you buy product and then just put it on the shelf and it sits there for a couple years and you forget all about it until you go looking for something else? Yeah, that's this. Here we go. Ow. All this is staying in too. There's no editing in this one. Okay, there we go. Gosh, that's a pretty. Oh, it's like an indigo blue. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Prussian blue hue. I think, oh my goodness, I think that might be a new fave. All right. I'm probably going to order a big bottle of that. All right, and last but not least, what do we have here? Anthraquinone blue. I've never used this one either, I don't think. Nope. Messy, messy, messy. There we go. Squirt, 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 squirt. Okay, and put that in. Oh, that's a pretty shade. It's like a dark, dark sky blue. I like that. Come on. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Oh, that is pretty. That is a very pretty color. Okay. Now for our scary experiment. I get a feeling that if I don't do this with my mouth, that it's going to blow clear across the studio. Oh my goodness, they're so thin. All right, we're going to do this. We can do this. Stop being scared. And oh, that's getting thick. Yeah, it's starting to leave a trace. Okay, we're going to put a little bit more water in there. Ooh, okay. I'm going to put a lot more water in there. Oh my God, if this turns out, I'm going to be so shocked and amazed. Oh, this video probably won't even see the light of day. It'll probably just be in one of those Julie's failed experiment blooper reel things or something. Yeah, it kind of goes in on itself now, like for a cloud pearl pour, that kind of consistency. So, all right. Man, I want to add more Gac to those, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it 50-50 and try and get that off my finger. All right. Here we go. Moment of truth. Justice. The American way. No. But yeah, I have always been wanting to try this ever since I saw Rinska doing them. And she said she just uses water. And then I saw Molly doing them with just water. And always been afraid to try it, but we're gonna go for it. And I'm probably doing it completely wrong. I probably should have watched some of their videos, but I joined this collab really late, so we're just gonna have to deal with it and go for it. Okay, all right, are we going over the edge? I hope not. All right. Oh boy, where's my hair dryer? There's my hair dryer. All right, let's go. I am just gonna dribble this. Dribble it in. I'm thinking I'm gonna get like dendrites. I bet I get dendrite action. How much you want to bet? All right, and then let's go with the red. There we go. Oh yeah, it's dendriting. Oh, that's far out, but that's not what I wanted. Let's go with purple. Purple. And the thing of this is I can always add school glue to this stuff later and try and make it work. Interesting. Very interesting. There we go. All right, and our last color. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Look at all the dendrites. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try and get you a close up of that because that is looking so cool. Like little coral branches going every which way. Oh my gosh, this is fabulous. I just want to sit here mesmerized by it and watching. But we can't. We have a video to make. All right. My little birdie mini. We're gonna put it on low and full shot. And it's all disappearing. Yep. Whoa, what's happening? What is happening? You see it? It's popping up. Stuff's a popping. Oh my. Okay, far out. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Me and my big mouth. I'm so full of hot air. You knew that was going to happen, didn't you? Okay. It's cool in a minimalist kind of way. It's different. Okay. See what happens when we torch, huh? Shouldn't be too many bubbles, I think. I don't know what that is. Get off there. Huh. It's different. Oh, there's still a lot on there. We gotta blow more stuff off. That is definitely gonna crack. All right. Let's make some more puddles, people. Actually, let me add a little bit of school glue to each of these. This is mix 70/30. And we're just going to add that in. Just a blop. 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 My scale is broken, so I can't tell you the size of my blops. There we go. And it didn't thicken them up much, but oh wow, the dendrites that popped up in this cup are cool. Oh, that one too. Yeah, so if you want to make dendrites, now you know the recipe for using Golden Fluid Acrylics and Amsterdam titanium weight to start growing your own little dendrite garden. All right, I probably added that one already, didn't I? Bloop. Ooh. I feel like I'm doing a Wizard of Oz horse with a different color kind of theme here. Oh my gosh. Okay, try this again. Well, I'm seeing more color staying on top of the white. It's not completely sinking this time, so that's a good thing, right? Alright, is that chunky monkey in there? I see a chunky monkey. Hold on. Let me get that little chunky monkey out of there. Doggone it. Ah. Come on. Come on, you. There we go. Got it. Haha. Oh my gosh, so much prettier. Yeah, I'm digging this. I'm digging this. Can you guys see that? How pretty is that? Alrighty. We are covering this with a picnic net and a towel, a damp towel, and we're going to let it sit for 2 days because I don't want anything to happen to it. It's so pretty. There we go. There you have it. We'll be back for dry results in a snap. Hello. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I covered it. I was babysitting it all night, spraying my towel, keeping it damp. So hopefully it hasn't cracked overnight. Got a couple little bumps on it. I can't tell. Oh, come on. Ah, can't tell if it's wet or dry. And it's still a little damp and my pins are stuck. Wow, I'm impressed. The colors are so shiny. So even in areas where it kind of looks wet, it's not, but yeah, I can still see it's wet there. Couple little lumpy bumpies. I'm loving this. I'm trying to think which orientation I like it in. I kind of like it like that too. I think I like it this way, like an explosion out of a frozen lake or something. I find it cool. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I had fun with it, as you could tell. I'm not sure who's up next in the lineup, but the playlist link should be down in my description. So yeah, if you lose your place, go to my description and you'll just find out who's next in the lineup there. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.